Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to turn on our lock screen notifications in Samsung Galaxy S22 phone. Where to find this option? Of course in settings. So settings, notifications, and here we have lock screen notifications. When we go here, as you can see, our notifications are turned off. To turn it on, we simply enable this option. What does it do? As you can see, it turns on all the notifications. Even if our phone is locked, the notifications will be visible. Show notification also on the cover. We can choose it or don't. Yes, turn on, and as you can see now our notifications will be by default turned on. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.